What if I told you that your next DIY project could win you money, visibility, and connect you with thousands of creators all around the world? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's real and it's called Instructables. It's a platform where artists, makers, and crafters like you and me share their step-by-step tutorials and enter theme contests to win amazing prizes. And yes, I've tried it. Yes, I won something. And no, you don't need to be a pro to participate. You just need to create a free account to join. Let me tell you how it worked for me. I've entered 2 contests so far and I was really happy to win a prize in the last one. Okay, I didn't win first place, but I did get a runner-up award and a $50 gift card. That might not seem like a big deal to everyone, but for me, it was huge. There were so many talented artists, so it was a real honor to be selected. But the best part wasn't the prize, it was the motivation to keep improving and to keep practicing. That's the spirit I want to share with you. Keep going, keep creating, and don't be afraid to try new things. When you get an idea, don't let the blank page scare you. Write it down or sketch it right away. Sometimes I even ask my brain to think about a theme before I go to sleep, and it actually works. I have woken up with a clear vision for a project more than once. Now back to Instructables. What's great is that there is always a new contest with many different themes. You just need to find a way to match the theme with your style or with your favorite materials. For example, I won a prize in the Making History contest. The idea was to recreate or restore a historical object or to make something using art techniques. I chose ancient history because I love ancient Greece and the Roman Empire. I also had Disney's Hercules in mind. I love that movie and I love the emperors in that movie. I'm used to working with balloons to create round shapes, so I used that trick to make the body of the vase. For the base and top, I use clean yogurts and deep containers that are great for creative designs. I decided to turn it into a wall art piece instead of a full vase because many homes are getting smaller and smaller and wall art saves a lot of space. After building the shape, I covered it in craft paper and glued everything onto cardboard. Then I cut a hole in the front and I created a little diorama. This made painting the vase more difficult, but I worked around it. I researched many Greek vase designs and finally chose one, Heracles fighting the sea monster Cetus. I adjusted the scene a bit so it would work with the hole in the middle. I sketched everything with a pencil, then inked it and painted it with custom mixed colors to get the right clay look. Then I finished the diorama inside and made a frame that looks like an old stone wall. Once my project was done, I uploaded it to Instructables with a full tutorial so others could follow it. Luckily, I had filmed the process and taken pictures, so writing the steps was easy. If you want to try Instructables, I really suggest you film the entire process. That way you don't have to stop and clean your hands every time you want to take a picture. You will have the time later to pause your video and grab all the pictures that you need. Make sure your photos are clear and well lit, especially the ones that show your materials. Use short and clear titles for each step, use bullet points if possible, and finish your tutorial with lots of good photos of your finished project. Your main cover image should be 4:3 in size, like 600 by 450 or 640 by 480 pixels. If not, part of your picture might be cut off. Since Instructables is owned by Autodesk, the company behind AutoCAD, Tinkercad, Fusion 360, they also encourage projects with 3D printing, programming, or tech elements. There is usually a special prize for using these tools and also one for students. So if that's your thing, even better. Honestly, I really encourage you to try. It's a great way to show your creativity, learn from others, and maybe even win something. So go to Instructables.com, create your project, and let me know in the comments if you join in a contest or if you post a tutorial. And if you want to support my channel, please like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.